HeinOnline's global features, artificial intelligence tools, and database-specific aids help both novice and experienced researchers make the most of our content. But did you know you can also use PowerNotes when researching in HeinOnline? PowerNotes is a browser extension designed to help researchers gather, organize, and track their research so they're in the best position to start writing. To begin saving content, flip to the text-based version of the HeinOnline document you are viewing. Then, simply select the text you want to save, and PowerNotes will prompt you to organize and annotate it quickly, minimizing any distractions and focusing you on reading. PowerNotes even builds an outline for you as you do your research based on an organizational structure that you use. You can also save images, bookmark articles to read later, and add commentary to anything you read. Once you've gathered your research, use the PowerNotes web app to access and organize your material. The project outline puts all the content that was in the extension sidebar on a full screen, so it's easier to manipulate. Within the projects, drag and drop or use a menu to reorganize your material in the project outline. To add a note, select the Add Comment option and begin typing. You can even use the project outline to start writing, making that transition from research to first draft much easier. What's more, PowerNotes automatically saves a link and any citation information to a document so you don't have to worry about jotting down those details. Easily change the citation format you wish to use within the settings. When you are ready to start writing, or you need to turn in your outline, you can download your outline to Microsoft Word or Google Docs. You can also export your data to Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Sharing your work is also easy. Send any project to your professor, librarian, tutor, or peer for feedback to make sure you're on the right track. We hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Stay tuned to the HeinOnline blog and social media for the next one. See you soon.